Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out your latest weather update here. It's going to be another scorcher of a day here on Thursday, expecting a mix of sun and clouds. There is a chance as we go through the late part of the day, getting towards 3 to 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow, there could be a few pop-up storms that do develop here, but the chance will remain fairly isolated. But it is worth mentioning that there is at least a slight chance there. High temperatures should peak to around 90 degrees. And as we look ahead into Friday will bring some more cloud cover our way. We'll have the chance mainly in the afternoon from about 2 to 5 p.m. for a broken line of some showers and storms to develop. So we could see a couple brief passing showers or storms. But again, coverage is not going to be widespread. It's not going to mess up your whole day. But just for a little time in the afternoon, there could be a little rain coming through, a little thunderstorm activity. And then we're going to be looking at temperatures getting a little more comfortable for a very short while here, Friday night and Saturday. Temperature gets down to 60 degrees by Saturday morning. High temperature on Saturday of 83. Now the difference is going to be really the humidity, because the humidity will drop in a pretty big way Friday night. So it's going to feel a lot more comfortable on Saturday. Great timing for Saturday outdoor plans. It looks great. And as we look ahead to Sunday, back to 88 degrees. There is a chance in the afternoon for a couple pop-up storms, but most of the weekend, guys, it's going to be dry. Looking at Monday and Tuesday, we're back to the 90s yet again. Summer heat, certainly summer is going out with a bang, that's for sure. As temperatures continue to run well above average, about a good 8-9 degrees above average as we go throughout the next week. So thank you guys for watching. Stay cool. Have a good day.